A tsunami. It is a series of giant waves caused by earthquake under the sea or sometimes due to volcanic eruptions. Large waves of seawater come gushing towards the land and cause heavy flooding within minutes. It can travel 200 to 300 miles per hour with waves. Students, you can't believe how much destructive it is. It disrupts fully transportation, power communication, water supply, everything. Large scale of destruction of life and property caused by that tsunamis. Normally, we can't save ourselves through these things because it would not give us so much time. But we can follow some of the safety tips. Get a higher ground as far inland as possible. Be alert to the signs of tsunamis such as sudden rise of or draining of sea waters. Evacuate immediately when you see any natural signs or hear an official warning. Drought. Just opposite to that heavy flooding, a drought occurs when due to continuous period of dry weather an area gets negligible amount of rainfall for months or even years. In that case, humans, plant life, they cannot survive without water. We all know that. And lack of water results in drought in the area. What are the effects of that? Rivers, lakes, ponds, resources, they dried up fully. Agriculture is students so many places still that is dependent on monsoon. So production of crop also going to be affected by that. A drop a drought is almost associated with famine. That means somewhere that is lack of food, potable water, and fodder for cattle also. Means whatever the food they eat, cattle means animals. That is also going to be somewhere it is not present on the earth because of that drought. Outbreak of diseases like cholera, diarrhea, malnutrition also means proper nutrition they are not getting. Hunger, starvation means as per their requirement there is no food. Students, in those cases so many farmers commit suicide. In Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, so many people, students, because of that suicide, this particular natural disaster is going to affect their life too much. What are the safety tips? We should plant more and more trees. That is a best possible measure to tackle drought. Trees attract that rainfall and somewhere it will give birth to afforestation. Water conservation projects, rainwater harvesting, that are also somewhere the safety measures for those areas. Now, students, if we see those after effects of those natural disasters, we can't help them too much. But, students, even that we can donate some money to them. How we can help them? By associated with some of the associations or organizations which help those people. Red Cross Society, UNICEF. We can donate clothes, food, and other useful items to them. Even as students in our schools, also sometimes that we can go for that also, that how we can help them. We can provide them some money, other supplies also, those his disaster hit people. So students, we can't just stop them, but we can help those people. Our small effort can change their life. So we should do this. Thank you so much, students. Have a nice day ahead.